What's going on, everybody? I'm Kaimo and I'm running very late. I've got a 4-hour drive to a suburb called Nangus, and the place I'm staying at is called the Junior Eco Hut at Kaimo Estate. I think this place is going to be better than I originally thought. Bit of a sleeper, an underdog. So the next time you see me, we will be at our final destination. So there'll be no stop-offs on the way for lunch. We're going straight there. Let's go! So we just arrived. Holy hut. This place is the Junior Eco Hut in Nangus, and as you can see, it's placed perfectly on the crest of a hill. This placement amongst this vast open space is in perfect alignment with earth and sky. For me, landscape does not exist in its own right, since its appearance changes at every moment. All these elements bring this beautifully designed eco hut to life. Good evening, and this place has exceeded my expectations. I'll say this, I was not ready for this. The view from up here is spectacular. I wish I booked 2 nights, but I just couldn't. I mean, it was booked out, but I lucked out. From the bedroom, it's a 180 panoramic view. You step outside and just the way this is situated, 360 panoramic view. And can I just say, how incredible is that jacuzzi? Wow, usually people would like an infinity pool over an ocean of blue water. Me, I just wanted a jacuzzi overlooking an infinity of green. Gonna be selfish now, and I'm gonna put down this camera. I've had a hell of a day. I'm just gonna stay present now for the rest of the night in this spectacular location. Good night. Good morning, good morning. Wow, okay, so lying in bed last night, I could actually see the stars straight from my pillow because we're so high up. We were so elevated. Literally right where my hand is, right there. Abundance of stars we could actually see. You don't have to look up, we just look like that way. Wow, and there's stars suspended in air. Amazing. Sunrise should be right here. Maybe this spot here, or maybe there, or maybe there. That spot. It's gonna be great. Seriously, how good was that sunrise? Like, stop it. Just stop it already. So what you probably don't know about this property, it's called the Kaimo estate. It's right over there. And there's actually 3 of these huts. There's another one located just over there. I think that's called the Sweeney's hut. And then there's another one on that hilltop over there. They're all perched high on hills. I don't know the name of that one, but there's 3 of them. I think I got the best one, I'm not sure. Mine's called the Junior Hut. The different types of shadows from all these different types of angles just has a huge play on light. It's just ever a changing landscape. It's that time of the video again, guys, where I sum up my wonderful stay. So how was my experience at the Junior Eco Hut at Kaimo Estate? The Junior Eco Hut is by no means a one-hit wonder of admiration. It's the gift that keeps on giving. When you move through such an utterly beautiful environment, a space so vast, you slowly feel yourself unravel. The mind swells out as if it fills the entire landscape. If you want to unplug and reset, then Junior's Eco Hut is your stay. Kick back, tune in with reverence, and just be. And unfortunately, guys, it's time for me to go. I'm out, but I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye for now.